In this video guide, I will show you how to get a full refund in Mulebuy. If you want to get a refund, follow me in this video guide. First step, friends, you should read a refund policy. You should be last 30 days. If the 30 days have passed since your purchase, you can get any full refund. This is the first one, and you should have a must also be the original backing. And then, friends, look for your orders. You want to get a refund, go to my order. After that, select a cancel order from here in this section. You should be order was cancelled here. And then send the message or contact option. You have a contact option to this email. You should be contact this email. From here, add the subject, request get for a refund. This is for email, and then write this message. I hope doing very well. I'm contacting to get recent order and Mulebuy. I like to request I get a full refund because this order not meet expectations. And then write your some reason here you want to cancellation. After that, write your order number here. For example, this is the order number here, and then write kind lock. This is a simple email, friends, to support to get a full refund. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.